Mitsubishi is gearing up to unveil the latest revamp to its mid-size pickup truck, the L200 Triton, otherwise known as the Strada in some markets. The current 5th generation model has been around for nearly a decade, so it's definitely due for replacement. The new generation model was teased as the Mitsubishi XRT Concept at the Bangkok International Motor Show a few days ago. New Triton model will also underpin the next generation Nissan Navara pickup as part of their platform sharing process in the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance. The concept looks like a camouflaged prototype of the Triton fitted with off-road accessories, a special wrap inspired by lava rocks packed with condensed energy is covering the entire bodywork, side windows and lighting units, sending military vibes, while the Ralliart logo on the profile is a reminder of Mitsubishi's motorsport heritage. The XRT concept features a bold and aggressive design with sharp lines and a muscular stance that exudes confidence and power. Under the camouflage, which conceals all exterior components, the front grille looks larger and more pronounced than the current model, giving the vehicle a more imposing presence. The headlights are sleek and feed into the firm's dynamic shield fascia, and the overall design of the bakkie seems more streamlined, which should help improve overall performance. This new XRT boasts a rugged double-cab body style with a snorkel and 2 spare tires in the bed, as well as Ralliart branding and off-road rubber tires. The final split headlight design is currently concealed by camouflage, while the black tinted taillights blend seamlessly with the body wrap. Mitsubishi has not revealed about the next generation Triton's powertrain details, and we may have to wait until its full reveal to know more. That said, we won't have to wait that long until all new Triton sheds its camouflage, as Mitsubishi revealed plans to launch the truck before the production XFC concept comes out in August.